G'day, Jason from Securicom. So sometimes people go, oh man, I want to get this line of work. It's so fun. That's me. I'm squashed in under the floors of somebody's house. It ain't always that fun. Today I'm doing a socket relocation. So I've got the leading cable coming in from the vent there, and there's a conduit just on the outside of that. And today I'm attaching my piece of Cat 6 cable to that and popping it up through the floor and putting a skirting socket on the wall for NBN FTTC. And yeah, fun times underneath the house. Stabilise everywhere. Geez. Here, I'm going to join my Cat 6 to this. I'll get my trusty scotchlok crimper out. Get these suckers on. Just had the old cable was connected to this and was run around all the other sockets in the house and getting what they call a bridge tap on the line. But out the front here, this one's got an old Telstra joint that's got no lid on it. It's just sitting there in the dirt inside the pit. So I had someone working in it the other day from NBN, and then when he was working in it, it stopped working. So he's just using his 4G on the modem at the moment to give them signal. And so NBN's going to be out in 6 weeks to fix it up. So in the meantime, we're putting in a socket directly to where he wants his modem. So that way, when NBN comes, everything will just work, and he'll have a direct cable straight to his NBN socket and not running around to all his old phone sockets inside the house. Because if you've got, if you had ADSL before, and NBN don't give you a direct cable straight in, what you'll find is with FTTC and FTTN, you can have dropout issues and lots of problems. So the best way around it is to get a direct cable from the leading cable here onto a new cable going straight to a socket, and that will get there. That will get you out of trouble. So for the Aussies, look what I found. To his LA. Been sitting under here for a while. And also, see this thing here, that cable, that's an old lead leading cable. So Telstra used to put those in 50, 60 years ago, maybe even longer. And inside that is 2 little copper pairs covered by like a cloth. That's the old leading cables they used to use, and they upgraded those to the PVC ones. So that's what they used to use, and that would go. And these are still around. You find them from time to time, but NBN won't connect too well to those. So that's the other end there. Just pushed it up through the hole that I drilled next to his skirting. That's right next to his power point. So and he can plug his modem in.